part number and some of the tools you may need for a 2013 Chevy Malibu Eco. I think they pretty much the same for all the Malibus though, but if you having that AC off due to hot engine temperatures and your fan stand on, when you cut the car off, you need to replace that coolant temperature sensor. And on this particular car, it's located, that's the connector, but it's right there. So I got a 19 on there, and I just cracked it loose. You just twist that out, twist the new one in, but man, it's not room friendly at all. So you see how many turns I'm getting, and I left my electric wrench at the shop. But anyway, I'm gonna get this out and tap back in with y'all. So I got the old one out, and I'm about to go in with the new one. You do lose a little coolant, but that's that. So, and you just twist this in, thread in the new one. Can you see that? Mm-hmm. And I got a ratchet wrench for this process. Get your little half a turn going. And once you get in so far, you actually got to go back to the socket because the ratchet wrench rub up against this heat shield and won't let it lock down all the way. But the new one is in, and that's the old one. You just kind of go out over time. I guess, you know, after 10 plus years, anything go out. 2013 and 2016, that's over 10 years. But these parts normally last a good 10. Sometimes you get a little longer. So it's good to stay up on your sensors because the car will run perfectly fine. And I don't even think it's overheating, but with the sensor not reading properly, it's gonna give you false readings. Once you get the sensor locked in all the way, you just snap this back in. Of course, the plastic tabs popped off, old and brittle, but it got the rubber insulator thing on there, so it's in there, it ain't coming out. And you put your heat shield back on, call it a day for the wires. But that's where it's at and where it's mounted at on 2013. Man. Ugh. And this was where I've been laying the whole time. 2013 Chevy Malibu. Once again, coolant temperature sensor. That's the part number for it. Get it at your local parts store. I'll put a picture up of the message that shows. That's that. Signing out.